Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a side mirror. First, gather your essential tools, such as a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool. Make sure you have the exact replacement mirror designed for your specific vehicle model. Working in a well-lit, safe area is crucial for clear visibility throughout the entire process. This ensures a smooth and efficient replacement. Next, you will need to carefully remove the interior door panel. Use your trim removal tool to pry it off gently, exposing the wiring underneath. Locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers the old mirror's functions. Finally, unscrew the 3 mounting bolts that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe for later use. Now, take your new mirror assembly and carefully position it onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Reinsert the 3 mounting bolts and tighten them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror, ensuring a secure connection. This step is vital for the mirror's electronic functions to operate correctly. Finally, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all the clips align and snap into place. Once the panel is secure, test the new mirror's electronic adjustments, such as up, down, left, and right movements. If applicable, also check the heating function. Confirm that the mirror is securely fastened and all functions operate correctly before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.